cutting craft with Goodman here. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family or individual, as well as motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. But for me, as long as I have my mother in my life, every day is Mother's Day. Today I want to show you how to make this colorful I Love Mom paper cutting shadow box. Link for purchase the template at the description box. Now grab some color papers and get started. Here are what you're gonna need: color paper, 170 GSM, art knife/silhouette or Cricut machine, double-sided tape, foam stick as spacers, square wooden frame, 22x22 cm, depth at least 8 cm. Upload the layers from the file on your Cricut design space. Then let the cutting machine work. Here comes all the layers. Since we use foam stick to glue layers together, first of all, I'll roll the double-sided tape around foam spacers like this. I'm going to glue spacers around the edges of the first layer and then glue the next layer on top of it. Make sure the layers are properly lined up. Repeat this process until all the layers are glued together. You can put the marker into the box, and then push the cardstock and foam core layers into the light box until they touch the glass. Don't forget to clean the glass from the inside, because you won't be able to remove the layers without ruining them. Finally, this is the finished creature. What do you think about it? Leave your opinion at the comments section to let us know what you think. If you like our tutorial, give us a thumb up. If you have any question, please leave your comment below, we're here to help.